It's me, Mikey Pipes, and the new guy.
We use an Air Force None.
Or Air Force None. This video is sponsored by GPS Tracking. If you need reliable and affordable fleet management GPS tracking, look no further than GPS Tracking. It'll be linked down in the description box down below. I've been using them for well over a decade. It's affordable, reliable, and most importantly, it gives me detailed information as to where my guys are, because I need to know. Not only for insurance purposes, but also for scheduling, logistics, things like that. All right, check them out, GPS Tracking. We appreciate them for sponsoring the channel. Right now, we're going over to our next service call. Customer has no heat on the first floor. Maybe they got some air, maybe just circulator, maybe it's a bad thermostat batteries, who knows? But before we get to the service call, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. I really appreciate it. Thank you in advance. And if you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing. As you guys know, my long-term viewers, when we have all 50,000 subscribers, there's going to be the most epic pool party. And trust me, it's going to be at a warm locale. And I have a feeling there's going to be Grey Goose and 1942 flowing. And maybe Bosch will be sponsoring it out of their goodness of their hearts. Let's go, Bosch. And let's go to this next service call. Hi. Here for a heating issue?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Go. Tell me what's going on. Oh, you got a furnace. Oh, nice. We don't see many furnaces around here.
Yes.
Normally steam and hot water.
Go inside, go.
Downstairs?
Downstairs, yes.
Let's see. When did it stop working?
Yes, yesterday.
Left or right?
Right, yes.
Okay. Well, you got a little old baby hydrotherm there too, huh? That does another part of the house, hydronic heating?
Right, yeah.
Wow, look at this water heater. Don't even look at it. Don't even look at it, you'll give it bad luck. You got a Rheem. Okay. Is the thermostat on or off right now?
I have no clue. It's on.
Thermostat is set to like a warm
Yeah.
temperature? What is it set to?
60. Kenny, what is the temperature on the thermostat? It was at 65, I think.
And what is it reading?
Right now?
Yeah.
I don't know. It's upstairs.
Okay, let's check.
Yeah.
Let's make sure the thermostat is actively calling for heat. Let's go see. Wow, a lot of old good stuff in this house. Wow, you got water heater, you got the old sewing machine. Nice. You don't see that stuff anymore. Stuff like that survives nuclear holocaust. All right, so you have how old's the batteries in this Sensi? Oh, see the little battery icon. Replace. You have 2 AA batteries.
I should.
All right, let's replace the batteries. And
You got my viewers?
we have a common wire there. Oh, you're using the wire extender there. It's the wire. Okay, change the 2 batteries. You want to grab the tool bed? The battery's now full. 71, 65. Fan is set to on. Thought I heard something. Could be my imagination. Oh, yeah. Yep, I hear the inducer motor. I hear ignition. Houston, we have ignition. We had dead batteries. And now we have ignition. Here, I'll let you get in there and take a peek. Well, they needed 2 AA batteries.
Oh, that's all.
Quite expensive batteries. All right, well, let's let it do a cycle, make sure it's burning properly. Chris, do you want to grab the testo, and we'll do make sure we do a safety test on this. That's that black case that I put this morning above the thing. All right, we'll test it. Caution Michigan. Very nice. That's the inducer. Pressure tubing is nice and good. Pressure switch. Flame rollout. Another flame rollout. 2 flame rollouts. There's your flame rods, spark ignition. It's from 2011.
Yeah.
This RGPN 07.
You know, we are in the serial number. I didn't see nothing over here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's heating only, no air conditioning.
Yeah.
Nice. So this video just reinforces what I've been saying for quite some time. You know what I've been saying for quite some time, Chris?
What is that?
A good technician is observant of his surroundings. One of the first things that I noticed, which I didn't expect you to notice because it's only the first day of the job, was we go to the thermostat. And sure enough,
It's blinking.
top right-hand corner,
Right
the
there.
battery icon, it's got a little C hair left the battery, and it says replace battery. So replace the batteries,
What would you
and
do?
voila, like magic. What did you know? And I go, deep, but no. We didn't stop with just that, because if we're going to give value and show value, we're going to at least give them his money's worth. So we did a combustion test, not only on that Rheem gas-fired furnace, but we also did it on an ancient, and I mean ancient, hydrotherm, little baby hydrotherm gas-fired boiler. Carbon monoxide was like practically at nothing, like 10. But he was like, wow, I have this other warranty company, this Petro. They come and they take a look at it here for 10 minutes and they leave. And I'm like, I don't need this. Like, what am I paying you for? I was like, see, so pay us. You get what you pay for. All right, guys. A good technician is observant of his surroundings. Check them batteries before you call for service. Be well. God bless.
And Gigi, tell them to check out GPS Track It for the best GPS tracking service, whether you have one truck or 20 trucks. Link in the description box down below.